Hi everyone. So in this recording, I will be trying to find monthly per capita expenditure using the PLFS data. Okay, the 2024 round. So you can read the definition. It is a measure of how much money a household spends each month divided by the number of people in the household. Now you will be surprised to know the results. So without wasting any time, let's check. Okay, so let me open my master dataset. Control open. This is my first do file. So the first do file is basically the do file on which we are working since the beginning, and I have run all the codes. Now what I will do, I have one code which I want to firstly copy paste. Okay, just forget this. Household monthly expenditure. Okay, now let me come back to stata, and if I write monthly, this I have just write month whole thing. So this is household usual consumption expenditure in a month for the purpose out of goods and services. This is not the thing. This is not. This is not. This household usual consumer expenditure in a month. So this is what MPCE is. So let me rename it. Rename this variable as this household monthly expenditure. Now let me show you something. Although this is a expenditure, so it will be huge in number. I'm not sure whether Stata will be able to compute it or not, but let's check. Okay, no observation. Why it is happening? Okay. So what has happened? If you remember, so while we were defining for the gender 1 and 2, we were removing the revisit part also, if you remember from the part 5. So I have just renamed the revisit file since there is no observation. That's why it is like. So let me first drop, although you can keep it, but since I will be renaming it, so that's why. So what I want, a rename, and this is usual consumer expenditure. So this is MPCE and this is HHV1, which means this is from the first visit. Okay, so this and this is household monthly expenditure. Okay, now it has been renamed. Now if I do tab monthly expenditure, too many values, right? Let me just browse and show you. I know. So this is the income, not income, the expenditure. So as you can see, this will vary for every household, right? Now let me move to my do file. So what I have done, I have recoded and made if they are earning 0 to 999, I mean less than 10k, then give it 1, and I have defined the label also. 10 to 20k, 20k to 30k, k means 1000, 30,000 से 40,000, 40,000 से 50, and more than 50,000, right? And I have generated one new variable called MPCE. Okay, and let's run this code and see the results. Okay, now if you see in the rural area, almost 42, rather 43% male are earning less than 10,000. Although in the urban sector, maybe because the wages are higher, the salary is better, so the percentage is lower. Okay, more than 50,000, it is still better than in urban, but in rural, it's especially for the female, it's negligible. And if you see for all over India, for me, this rural plus urban for male, female. You can see the stats. Likewise, you can make your own bins. I mean, maybe you could have started from 0 to 5,000. How many people are earning 5,000 or less than that? 5,000 to 10,000. Likewise, I have specifically put the filter greater than 15 because I am assuming they are working only and only when they are more, I mean, they have crossed 15 years of age. Let's check. What if I remove this age criteria, because for the monthly, this is this gets divided by the number of family members, right? So it has come like this way. So the number has been almost similar even if I have removed this age 15 wala filter. So that's all. Thank you so much.